So yeah, I got this portable oil irrigator, and if you read my review, you know that I said that the tip of it, of this jet, you see that part? Look, it's broke inside of it. And I've tried everything to try to take it out so I can replace it with another tip. And it's not going anywhere. It's stuck in there. It's completely stuck inside of that. So now, basically, it's useless if I can't switch out these. So yeah, that's how it happens. So please, if you buy it, I don't know, be careful because the plastic's cheap. I don't know. Just, this is like one time. I only use it one time to try it to see if it worked, and then the second time just to try to remove it. This is what happened. Got stuck. Broke.
My only problem is this spins. So there's no way to keep it positioned in between your teeth because every time it touches something, it moves.